Welcome. Welcome, dear students. Again I am come back. Hopefully all are well. Now today I am taking a class, Business Studies, class 11, topics, types of business risks. Now previous class already discussed what is business risks, when risks will be maintained, how to recover the risks. Now today I am discussing types of business risks. One is speculative risks, now already discussed. Pure risks now already discussed in previous class. Today now, number 3, insurable risks. Number 3, insurable risks. Insurable risks means which risks are measured, which risks are measured or prediction that should be insured. That should be insured. Such risks, those which can be measured, which can be measured, they can be insured because they can be insured. Now they can be insured. They can be insured. It is probably is measured. This probably is measured, or to determine the profitability of risks, and to determine the profitability of risks. Determine the profitability of risks. The such risks, those which can be measured, they can be shaped. Probability of mix. Probability is measured and determine the profitability of risks. Yes. So now insurable risk means which risks you have to be measured. Now it will be identified. Okay. Next, number 4, uninsurable risks. Uninsurable risks. Now, such risks are those which cannot be measured. Such risks which cannot be measured. Such risks which cannot be measured. Okay, and the probability cannot be identified. And its profitability cannot be measured or predicted. The such risks which cannot be measured and the probability cannot be identified and its profitability cannot be measured or predicted. This is the uninsurable risks. Example, the fluctuation of market in demand and supply. Okay, demand and supply. Next, change in government's policy. Okay, clear? And then now types of business is, one is speculative risks, Number 2 is pure risk. Pure risk means which are identified, which is absurd. How much amount are losses? Every businessman now faces your such type of risks. Insurable risks, those risks are identified and your probability is measured and determine the probability risks. Okay. Next, uninsurable risks, such risks which are not measured and the probability cannot be identified and its probability can be measured by predicted. So this type of risks are you not predicted it. You cannot identify it. How much amount of losses. Now the fashion technology, fashion design, it is more risks. Why? That this type of fashion cannot be run in long time. Okay, clear? Government change in government policy. Next, nature of business risks. Next topics, nature of business risks. Nature of business risks. Nature of business risks. Nature of business can be understood from the following features. Number 1, business risks. Business risks arises due to uncertainties. Business risks arises due to uncertainties. Means, the uncertainty means lack of knowledge about what is going to happen in the future. The uncertainty means lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge, clear? About what is going, knowledge about what is going happen, what is going happen in the future. The lack of knowledge means about what is going to happen in the future. It is not predicted it. How the risk is resolved. For example, change in government policy, change in fashion technology, new product launch. Okay, this is the business risks are due to uncertainties. Clear? Next, number 2, risk is an essential part of the business. Number 2, risk is the essential part of the business. Number 2, risk is the essential part of the business. Risk is the essential part of the business. Every business involve some degree of risk. Now it is varies from business to business, organization to organization. So now every businessman involves every business involves some degree of risk, degree of risk clear. So no businessman can totally escape from risk. No businessman cannot totally escape from business. Escape from business or risk. Business on risk is very important. Now the risk is vary from business to business, organization to organization. Now it is the more risk is the manufacturing business. The business risks can be minimized but cannot be eliminated. Business risk can be minimized but cannot be eliminated. Minimize means now it is reduced through insurance. Okay. Now today is now end my class. Now I will elaborate discuss the next class. Okay. Thank you.